So hello everybody, we will talk about PyOpenGL today. So this is a brand new tutorial series where I will discuss about PyOpenGL. So why am I starting this tutorial series? Firstly, I'm bored. Yeah, really, I'm bored. That's why I'm starting this tutorial series. Secondly is that I wanted to get into this graphics thing with Python. Now, why I'm choosing Python? I could have done it with C++ or C. Actually, it is much more optimized with C and C++ because I know a little bit of Python and I can easily make things with it. So I'm using Python. Actually, it doesn't matter whether you use Python or C++, but obviously C++ or C, they are much more optimized. But I think Python have made some changes and other things for which now PyOpenGL is similarly like optimized, but not so much, but comparable. It actually doesn't matter. So let's start with our teapot example. So let me make a script, python teapot.py. So I will upload this code, so we will get it there in GitHub. So firstly we will import the libraries from OpenGL .gl import star. We are importing everything from gl.gl. So from OpenGL.glu import star. So we are importing everything from GLU library in OpenGL Python. Now from OpenGL.glut import star. Now we will import the system library. Now what we will do is we will draw the teapot. So we will define a function, define draw glut wire teapot, and then we will give it a dimension of 0.5 and then GL flush. Now what does this glut wire teapot do? I think it will specify the size of the teapot. Let's see what it does. I'm doing this for the first time, I don't know really, and this is kind of rough thing. I was not even prepared since I don't have time for preparation for this YouTube videos, and this is my hobby. So we will glut initialize argv, then we will glut init display mode, then glut single and glut RGB. So this will create a single window and RGB mode. Then we will use glut create window, and this will give the caption of the window. Will be my teapot. So this will be present in the top of the window. Then glut display function. We will draw this. We will call this method, and it will be in a glut main loop. So this is like moreover like tk inter main loop. So let's see how it runs. One teapot. So this is a teapot. So this is fine. So we are saying that a teapot has been drawn of size 0.5. So we will see much more in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching.